Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be playing with EGGMAZING, the Dinomazing egg decorator. So inside the little eggs that they come with, these, you get a dinosaur, and inside we have also slime. You can decorate your own, it's super cool. So now let's make some. Okay, so I'm gonna be opening up the egg. So here it shows that you can rip it here. So I'm gonna do it. Okay, so now we're gonna decorate it with the piece that we have. So let's do this. I don't want to see which colors I'm gonna do, so I'm just gonna close my eyes. So let's mix them up. Okay, I'm gonna use this one and this one and this one. I'm gonna use 3. I'm not gonna look at them. Okay, so now let's decorate them. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. And I'm not gonna look at the colors that I get, so I'm gonna just guess. Oh, I don't know which color it is. So. That's okay. Now this wood. Oh, it's orange. So I wonder what smells like. I already know one. Okay. Ooh. Looks super nice. Look at it. So I did blue, orange, and lime, I guess that's the color's name. So let's open it up. Okay, so inside we have your dinosaur and the slime. So let's open it up. So here it is. Slime, it's so slimy. Okay, so let's take out the pieces that are in it and let's build it. Okay, that's one of the legs. A tail, I think so. It's the same one that I have right now, but you can get different kinds in each egg. So let's open it up. And let's do this one. Let's do this. Now we're gonna build it. Okay, so the head goes here. You put it there. My hands are slimy for the slime. Okay, so let's put that in there. The other arm, we're gonna put it there. Here are the legs. We're gonna put that one. Oh, that fell. It's so hard to do when your hands are slimy. And here's the tail, not the tail, but like the other leg. I'm gonna fix it. I can do that later. There. And last but not least, the final arm. And here. There's your little dinosaur. And now let's do the rest of them. Let's open it up. Okay, I'm gonna use this one.
The colors are really pretty. Now I'm gonna be using the green marker, and I'm gonna make it half of it green. Then I'm gonna use the navy blue marker on the middle part, not that much, but like a little bit, and filled in the spots. And I'm gonna be using the other green marker to fix the spots as well. It's super pretty and easy to decorate any type of eggs. Okay, I'm done filling in the spots. I'm just gonna make it a little bit bigger. It's super pretty. The colors are amazing and bright. Now I'm gonna be using the brown that comes with the box. And I'm just gonna put it on the top and fill in all of the spots. Now I'm gonna finish up the very, very top part and fill it in. Okay, so now I'm finishing up the colors, and I'm working on the brown and making sure everything is nice and neat. This was super fun to do, and I love it so much. Now I'm doing the top part and making sure everything is really nice.
So here how it looks, my third egg. Now let's open it up. Ooh, okay, so this time we have a purple dinosaur. So let's see what's in it. Ooh, it's so slimy. Okay, so here it is. Let's take it out. Ooh. So let's find the other legs. Ooh, look at that leg. Ooh. Okay, so let's get this one out. So nice. Yeah. Okay, now let's build it. So let's go here. So here are the arms.
It's super easy to build, and there's different types of colors and different dinos that you can get. You can collect them all, and they're super cute to have as a collection.
So here is the dinosaurs, a purple one, and it's different from the other ones. I'll see you and when I'm done with the rest.
Okay, so first you want to color all of it. It's super pretty. There's so many different colors that you can use. You can make your own patterns, and it's super cool to design. And you open it, and there's slime and a little dinosaur that you get to build on your own. Then you build it as ever you want, and I got the flying one. That's really cool, and I love it so much because it's blue, and that's my favorite color. Now I'm all done, and it's super cute.
Thank you so much, EGGMAZING, for sending me the Dinomazing egg decorator. It was super fun. I love the slime and the dinos that I got. And my favorite one is this one. I don't know what it's called, but I'll look it up. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye now.